Satya Forklift, a manufacturing company of electric forklifts. We do repairing and maintenance work and overhauling work of other forklifts also, with all complete procedure. You can see this is the imported forklift EP, 2.5 ton capacity with 4.5 meter lift height. Now we have dismantled it completely, and with denting painting we've just made it like new. Now we are doing fitting new controllers with new wiring. You can see rear axle, steering axle complete overhauling with steering hydraulic seal replacement, all needle bearing, pins, etc. all replacement. Both motor, like traction motor and hydraulic motor, both rewinding and overhauled completely. New pipes, complete hydraulic tank clean and fitting. We are fitting all new tires also, new wiring, new hose pipes, new seat, lift jack, tilt jack, all seal kit replacement new. We are going to fit new motors, new battery. We made the forklift like new after refurbishment work in electric forklifts. Each and every part overhauled, and small parts and which parts are not working, that is replaced immediately. After work in our factory, this forklift will be like new. This is a differential, new control valve replacement, new hydraulic steering unit replacement. You can see it's look like new now. In our factory, overhauling means complete work, not like only painting. You can see new tires are being fitted.